Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ziyad. Welcome to the AAPC CPC mock exam 2. In this mock exam, we will go through all 100 multiple choice questions organized by chapter, just like the real CPC exam. I will explain you how to find the answers easily and quickly. So make sure to subscribe my channel and check out my playlist. Chapter 2 Anatomy. There are 4 MCQs. Question number 1. Which part of the brain controls blood pressure, heart rate and respiration? A. Cortex, B. Cerebellum, C. Cerebrum, D. Medulla. Answer the question. The correct answer is D. Medulla. So when you take the overall structure of the brain, you can see here, the cortex is the outermost layer of the brain. It's primarily involved in high-level functions such as thought, voluntary movement, language, reasoning, and perception. And the cerebrum you can see, this whole part is the cerebrum. So the cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, responsible for conscious thought, voluntary actions, memory, and sensory processing. Cerebellum, you can see here, is located at the backside of the brain beneath the cerebrum. Its main function is include coordinating voluntary movements, balance, posture, and motor learning. When you take medulla or the medulla oblongata, it belongs to the part of the brain stem. It is the primary control center for many autonomic, that is, involuntary functions essential for life, including regulating breath, respiration, heart rate, and blood pressure, as well as reflexes like sneezing, coughing, vomiting, and swallowing. All are controlled by the medulla or medulla oblongata. So the correct answer is D. Question number 2. Which of the following is true about the tympanic membrane? A. It separates the middle ear from the inner ear. B. It separates the external ear from the middle ear. C. It sits within the middle ear. D. It sits within the inner ear. So think the answer. The correct answer is B. It separates the external ear from the middle ear. You can see in the picture the tympanic membrane we call as eardrum. It is here. It forms a boundary between the external auditory canal, that is the part of the external ear, and the air-filled tympanic cavity, that is part of the middle ear. So the correct answer is B. It separates the external ear from the middle ear. Question number 3. The myocardium is thickest around which chamber of the heart? A. Right atrium, B. Left atrium, C. Right ventricle, D. Left ventricle. It's a straightforward question. So answer the question. So the correct answer is D. Left ventricle. When you see the 4 chambers of the heart, you can see the left ventricular wall is thicker. So the left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the entire body, that is the systemic circulation. This requires a significant amount of force to overcome the high resistance of the systemic arteries and propel blood for the farthest parts of the body. Consequently, the muscular wall of the left ventricle, that is myocardium, is the thickest and most powerful chamber of the heart. Question number 4. Spongy bone tissue A is found along with the shafts of the heart bones. B is found along the outer layer of bones. C makes up the top edges of long bones. D makes up insides of the bones. So think the answer. The correct answer is D, makes up the insides of bones. You can see structure of the long bone. This part is epiphysis, and here is the metaphysis. This the long part is diaphysis. Same thing in the down also. So when you see the spongy bone, you can see the spongy bone is here. The spongy bone, also known as the cancellous or trabecular bone, is characterized by its porous lattice-like structure. It is found in interior of bones, particularly in the epiphysis of long bones, the vertebral bodies, and flat bones surrounding the bone marrow. Spongy bone tissue helps make bones lighter in weight and provides an area for bone marrow to provide red blood cells. This arrangement provides strength without excessive weight and allows for efficient distribution of stress. So the correct answer is spongy bone makes up the insides of bone. There's a bonus question for you to answer. The tunica vaginalis is part of which system? A. Male reproductive, B. Female reproductive, C. Urinary, D. Musculoskeletal. So think the answer and give the answer in the comment section. So this is the end of the anatomy part. Please stay with us and check my playlist for the other sections.